class, we are going to discuss about adding more elements in a list. So we are going to discuss about what are the functions that is used to add a single element and add more element in a list. That we are going to discuss under this topic, adding more elements in a list. Before we get into the topic, can you tell me what is meant by list? A list is an ordered collection of values enclosed within square bracket. For example, marks is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. So a list is simply created using a square bracket. And all these 10, 20, 30 and 40, these are called as elements. Adding more elements in a list. In Python, append function is used to add a single element and extend function is used to add more than one element to an existing list. So to add single element, we'll be using append function, and then to add more than one element, we'll be using this extend function. So here is the syntax: list.append of elements to be added, list.extend of elements to be added. So we have to give the list name, and use the function name, then give the elements that need to be added inside the bracket. In extend function, multiple elements should be specified within square bracket as argument of the function. So in this example, extend function is used. So multiple elements we can add it which should be specified inside this square bracket. So in the above example, my list is created with 3 elements. So what is this my list? It is holding 3 elements. What are those 3 elements? 34, 45 and 48. Through mylist.append of 90 statement, an additional value 90 is included with the existing list. So this is an existing list. I'll be adding the 90. Following print statement shows all the elements within the list mylist. So this print statement shows what this mylist is holding. So if you check, it will be displaying 34, 45 and 48, 90. See, in this example, mylist.extend 71, 32, 29, print of mylist. So mylist is holding 34, 45, 48, 90. So along with these elements will be added. 71, 32, 29 will be added, and it is displaying the result as 34, 45, 48, 90, 71, 32, 29. In the above code, extend function is used to include multiple elements. So to include multiple elements like this, we'll be using the function called extend function. The print statement shows all the elements of the list after the inclusion of additional element. So we'll be using this print statement, which will be displaying all the elements that was stored in the my list. So the correction in this paragraph, as you learned already, append function in Python is used to add more element in a list. So append function actually it is used to add a single element in a list. So here in your book it was given as more elements, so change it as to add single element in a list, but it includes elements at the end of the list. So we'll be using append function to add a single element in the list, but which can be added only at the end of the list. If you want to include an element at your desired position, so if you want to include any element in the middle or any other index value, you can use insert function. The insert function is used to insert an element at any position of a list. So in order to insert an element at any position, we will be using the function called insert function. So syntax is list.insert position index, element. See this example. My list is holding 34, 98, 47, Kannan, Gauri Shankar, Lenin and Srinivasan. So I want to display what this my list was holding. So print of my list is given, which displays what are the elements that was present in the my list. My list dot insert 3, Ramakrishnan. So I want to insert an element Ramakrishnan in the third index. So this 3 refers to the index value, and this is the element that I need to add in this particular list. Index value, how it should be mentioned: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many elements are there totally? Totally there are 7 elements. So where the index starts from 0 to 6. So this insert function inserts a new element Ramakrishnan at the index value 3. At the index value 3. That is at the 4th position. So which is the 4th position? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4th position which is having the index value as 3. So in the 4th position I want to add this Ramakrishna. By inserting a new element in between the existing element at a particular location, the existing element shifts one position to the right. So print of my list is given. So in the print it will be displaying the 34, 98, 47 Ramakrishnan, Kannan, Gauri Shankar, Lenin and Srinivasan. So in the 3rd index position, that is previously it was Kannan was placed in this location. So now as we have mentioned using this insert function 3 Ramakrishnan in the Kannan's place, that is 3rd position, Ramakrishnan will be mentioned. So the existing element Kannan shifts one position to the right.